So hey guys, I welcome you all to this channel. So this video is very important for MSc chemistry student. If you are a fresher, or if you are having any lab experience, or if you are preparing for examinations like NET, GATE or any other government job examination, so this video is going to be very important for you, as you can apply at project associate position. If you think you have completed the syllabus of NET GATE examination and you have solved all the previous year questions and you have given the test series, but you are unable to clear the examination by 4 to 5 marks, so you can just apply for these positions, and along with that you can continue your preparation, and because you can enter in a system and you can get some experience along with your preparation journey. And for those students who have already cleared these examinations, so you can also apply in project associate position. So we're going to discuss this in detail. So this is at Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, which is situated at Bhavnagar, Gujarat, and total number of posts are 8 posts. This is for MSc chemistry or BE Tech chemical engineering, chemical technology. Again, post number 2 is for MSc chemistry or BE Tech, and this is for MSc in biotechnology. So this is how they have distributed the various posts, and these are the essential qualifications, and again the number of posts. Desirable experience: the selected candidates are required to work on the mission mode project entitled Specialty Chemicals for Industrial Applications. So this is the preference will be given to the person having experience in laboratory equipments, chemical analysis, concept of process design, mass energy balance, etc. So preference will be given to these candidates, but it's not written that freshers can't apply to this. So if you are a fresher, you can apply to this, but preference will be given to the candidates who are having certain lab experience. So this is very basic lab experience. If you have worked, if you have completed any internship, or if you have done any job in any of the chemical laboratories, so this is very basic experience, or this is very basic instrumentation like energy balance, mass and energy balance, chemical analysis. So you can apply for this post. For post number 2, among candidates with BE Tech degree, those having BSc with chemistry as major subject would be given preference. So in this post number 2, those candidates with BE Tech, they should have BSc chemistry, as they will be given more experience in this post. Next is job description: design and execution of experiments at laboratory, sample characterization, data collection and interpretation, scale up studies and process design. So this is regarding the job description, and these are the monthly emoluments, which is for the candidates who have completed, who are successful in clearing NET or GATE. So rupees 31,000 will be given to these candidates, and for the students who haven't completed, haven't cleared these examinations, they're going to fall under this category, in which they're going to get 25,000 plus HRA. Upper age limit is going to be 35 years as on last date of receipt of applications. That is, this is the last date, 23rd April 2024. So make sure you apply before the last date. And these are the project positions, and these are temporary positions. These are not the permanent positions, and the maximum duration is going to be 5 years. It is not going to exceed this duration. So don't think that don't get demotivated by listening to this, because see, you just need the initial experience that is going to help you in long run. So you can apply for this position at CSIR CSM CRI Bhavnagar. Interested candidates are requested to send application form along with necessary documents through this email address. The last date of receipt of applications is 23rd April. Applications received by email will be scrutinized based on certain criteria, and only shortlisted candidates are eligible as per the criteria. Will be asked to attend interview along using online mode. So you will be giving, so those candidates who are going to get selected, they have to give interview, and through that round they are going to get selected at this position. Prescribed format for application is available with advertisement. You are requested to send application form fixed passport size giving full particulars such as full name and postal address with email, phone number, date of birth, certifications, publications if any, documents related to CSI or UGC net. So this is how you can apply for this. So next video is going to be very important for BSc and MSc chemistry students, as I'm going to discuss with you about the changes which are introduced in the PhD examination, that is PET examination, the changes which are there in the process of getting into the PhD. So that video is going to be helpful for those candidates. And if you're not following us on Instagram, so you can check my page on Instagram, where I share many job updates related to the private industry and government jobs or JEE NEET faculty jobs. So you can check this page and you can follow this page if you are interested in knowing about these. So thank you for this video, and make sure you share this video with your friends. So thank you.